Sanibona igama uThulane wakamdlalose. We are here today sihlanganisise Lenasia Magistrates Court. We are here for ukuzozwa ukuthi indaba kaMfowethu ihamba kanjani. So to give you a bit of a background, Mfowethu uLebogang Wakaskute was brutally murdered on the 21st, which is last Sunday, at the hands of a police officer. So right now Lenasia sizozwa ukuthi icala lihamba kanjani.
Thuntse wa bolaya Lebogang Mahoja ke ka o mothunya ka sethunya seo ke molato wa pele o qoswang ka ona wa bobedi ke molato wa o sa kgone ho hlokomela sethunya seo ka hore o se boloke kapa o se be sebakeng se bolokehileng sa ho beha dithunya ke e le hore ka mantswe a mang safe ka hore ha o qeta moo ka mora hore sethunya seo se thunya o se nkile wa se beha pela mofu.
Nothing to ask, there is nothing to investigate. My brother was murdered brutally in cold blood.
So according to you, sir, what led to the accused, the person shooting the deceased, according to you, or according to your understanding?
Investigator officer wenza umsebenzi wakhe kahle.
At this point in time, njengoba siphuma ngaphakathi enkantolo during this break, I am pleased with how he responded, because he was giving the true version of what happened. However, I do feel ukuthi he's under pressure, but so far into ebalulekile iqiniso uyakubona. So far he has presented the evidence to say, because now this guy was stating things that he is not a flight risk, he wants bail and all of that. He's only traveled once out of the country, but when we are checking his passports and everything, it's got a number of stamps to prove that this guy was in and out of the country, So even when he came into the courtroom, he had his face covered, hiding his identity. But however, thankfully, the magistrate he demanded that he takes it off. Now, the question where we are right now is whether or not he gets bail.
Able to take the firearm and he shot at the deceased. One has to ask that if he had managed to deprive the deceased of the firearm, what was he defending himself from? But here there's nothing convincing that. I'm therefore satisfied that the accused has failed to prove exceptional circumstances that warrant him to be admitted to bail. His application for bail fails. The case is therefore postponed to the 5th November 2025 to Regional Court Seal in Asia at 8:30.
I'm feeling very good if he didn't get bail, because that was they've opposed the bail, and we are very happy with that. We are very happy to the large extent that we are looking forward to put pressure on this case.
Siyabonga ukuthi akaphumanga, viva ngoLebu, ijustice iphumelele enisazoqhubeka iphumelele. Asiyekeni ukukhuluma amanga amalawyer ngaphakathi ngoba ufuna imali ukudefend umuntu ngeqiniso, ngoba unomntwana akasekho emhlabeni, akasanamlweli. Uzolela yithi thina abantu base South Africa, iSouth Africa le. Viva Lebu. Siyabonga. Thank you, the magistrate is having justice. They were fair enough. I don't mind my vote.
With the support we got from all the members of the community and the Tutula members as well, we are very happy with the support, and we are looking forward to have them on throughout.